Hello students, today in this module I am going to discuss the topic of photorespiration. The topic is the part of chapter photosynthesis in higher plants, class 11. So let's begin with. Now there is a process which is known as the photorespiration which occur in the plants, and as we have already done with the type of the two plants which are following the two cycles, that are the C3 plants and the C4 plants. There is an important difference between C3 plants and C4 plants on the basis of the process of photorespiration. Now, to understand this process, first of all, we should know the first step of the Calvin cycle. In the first step of the Calvin cycle, there is carbon dioxide fixation. In this reaction, the RUBP, which means ribulose bisphosphate, combine with the carbon dioxide molecule to form two molecules of 3-PGA. 3-PGA means 3-phosphoglyceric acid. So as you can see in this reaction, RUBP, that is ribulose bisphosphate, combined with carbon dioxide, and then it is forming two molecules of the 3-PGA, that is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Now this enzyme, which is known as the Rubisco, which is ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase and oxygenase, this enzyme is important in this reaction. It plays a crucial role in the reaction, and it is one of the most abundant enzyme in the world. Now this reaction, this enzyme can combine with both carbon dioxide as well as oxygen, but it has more greater affinity with carbon dioxide as compared to oxygen. Suppose carbon dioxide and oxygen both are present in the equal amount, then in that case this enzyme Rubisco will combine with carbon dioxide. Reason being, it is having more affinity with the carbon dioxide. So there is always a competition for the binding site between carbon dioxide and oxygen molecules, and the relative concentration of oxygen and carbon dioxide will determine that which out of the two will bind to the enzyme. Now in the C3 plants, some oxygen does bind to Rubisco, and hence carbon dioxide fixation is decreased. Here the RUBP, instead of being converted into two molecules of the PGA, combine with the oxygen to form one molecule of the phosphoglycerate and phosphoglycolate in a pathway which is known as photorespiration. So what happen is, in case of the C3 plants, the enzyme Rubisco combine with the oxygen. Okay, it do not combine with the carbon dioxide, but it combine with the, or it bind with the molecule of the oxygen. And when it bind with the molecule of the oxygen, it form one molecule of the phosphoglycerate and one molecule of the phosphoglycolate. So two molecules of these two compounds are formed, and this pathway of forming the phosphoglycerate and phosphoglycolate is known as the photorespiration. So now we know that why C3 plants do photorespiration. The reason being is, in this the enzyme Rubisco bind with the oxygen, not with the carbon dioxide. Now in this process of the photorespiration, there is no synthesis of the sugar, no synthesis of the ATP. Rather, this process releases carbon dioxide and also utilizes the ATP. So ATP is used in photorespiration and carbon dioxide is released in the photorespiration. Now it is a biological pathway. This photorespiratory pathway is a pathway in which there is no synthesis of the ATP and NADPH. So let us discuss about the C4 plants now. The C4 plants are those in which the photorespiration does not occur. It happens because they have a mechanism that increases the concentration of the carbon dioxide at the enzyme site. So these plants is having more concentration of the carbon dioxide at the reaction site, at the active site of the enzyme, due to which the enzyme bind with the carbon dioxide and do the process of making the 3 PGA molecule, that is free phosphoglyceric acids. Now this takes place when the C4 acid from the mesophyll is broken down in the bundle sheet to release the carbon dioxide, and thus there is more concentration of the carbon dioxide, and due to this reason the rubisco function as a carboxylase in case of the C4 plants, okay, and it minimize its activity as an oxygenase. So at the end we can conclude about the photorespiration that it is an important process which is occurring in the C3 plants, but it do not occur in the C4 plants, and the process involves the formation of two things. One is one molecule of phosphoglycerate and one molecule of the phosphoglycolate, okay, and there is utilization of the ATP in the process of photorespiration, okay, and however there is no synthesis of the ATP and NADPH in this complete process. So C3 plants do photorespiration and C4 plants lack the process of photorespiration. I hope the topic is clear. Thank you all of you.